Okay, what to do when you do get your fiddleheads? You're gonna rinse them off about 3 or 4 times under cold water, shake them around a little bit to get off all of that brown papery stuff called rementa. And if you're not gonna get to them for a couple of days, no problem. Put them in the fridge covered with cold water, keep them nice and green and crispy. And when you're ready to eat your fiddleheads, you're gonna snip off that brown edge right there, right there. Just snip it off, but don't snip too much off because you want to save as much of the fiddlehead as possible. More nutrients for you. Now, you don't want to eat fiddleheads raw. What I like to do is I like to parboil them for about 12 minutes because I'm going to finish them off, saute them in the pan. I want them to be al dente. Look at these beautiful fiddleheads. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and dig in. I can't wait. So good for you. I hope you get your hands on some fiddleheads because it is the superfood of the month of May.